Hello, Sita. That's my girl.
Suffering porn.
What is the problem?
Why are you doing this to me?
Why? What happened?
The last time you told me that you were going to give me the money to pay my bills. It's been 3 months. You've not paid any of it. And you know that man, he's so disgusting. I don't want him talking to me
that
like
young
that.
boy. That boy doesn't respect. I don't see the reason why the landlady have to give him the opportunity, the chance to collect the light bill.
He came to our house to come and embarrass me whilst my sister was there. Why would you have to do this? You know something. Please, just leave me alone.
Yeah.
Just leave me alone.
Listen.
I've been giving you all the stars in this world just because I know that you love me, so you take good care of me. Just the small lights bill you can't pay. 3 months you cannot pay for it. Why do you have to embarrass me like this?
Sika, don't worry. I'll talk to him. I've been paying him. I don't know the reason why. I don't see the reason why you have to come and always
please
talk to me.
Don't lie to me, okay?
I'm not lying to you.
If you've been paying, how come he came to? I mean, come on.
Is that...
If we don't pay these light bills, you and I, it's over.
No. This boy, you have to pay.
Mommy machine.
Yeah,
now what you say?
you now swear.
Mommy,
Never.
and go for the cow fear say. Anything I'm putting now, I see. Miss Mamma catching him, we told me or lighting.
Never send on what they got. I don't want to pay their light bills.
Busumi and send your moon child. Says how magazine for say, Italy for Umbusa down with me.
Sankatis, oh, yeah, but there's a walk of a corner today.
Mo, I know.
I didn't know more.
You, Busumi, see, and a moon child like bay. Hey,
nothing.
Into
so much your light bill, yeah.
Into mammy, simple and tetia. And let the medium lasso. Obi on Chabia, Metron.
Just said, and no grandmother. Oh, dear, what did light bill? It will be dreaming. Never. To come to Tom Canyon.
Next, I want to go ahead.
Or probably deserve the say. I then will try to catch and say, me, Omra may maintain. And that kind of walk rioting.
Mati.
What to can they say? And no grow until you know the one.
Why so die?
So die.
I said, what can my Mati?
I told you, Obi Biara, I'll be trying to come near one. Also, on Tiasi and the catching some of them women. Mati. Omra maintain. And if I don't know, Mati. To be a canyam. Are they?
So, Yan Qualabi, a traputo, Pemasama for Wasam so, na Yesu Christo to Boniviasi, and if I in my Nankabasame or before, a man who keep on searching for the money. So, your fraud, so block their money. Postline, no Kadaman, their money.
What is that? What is this? No. What is that?
What is that saying?
No. You can't just come to somebody's.
Of course. I will disconnect the lights.
No. You can't do that. I will not allow you to do that. What's your problem?
Master, what is the problem? What is it? Please, come and stand up.
Pass
the problem.
Past 5 months. You didn't pay your light bill. Why?
What? Who said we did not pay? We've paid. We've paid. Is that Mr. What? Go and ask him.
I should go and ask who?
Please go and ask him. Don't disconnect us.
No, simple and dirty. I should cut this. No. We can't
sleep in heat. What is that? We can't sleep inside it. No. We can't sleep inside heat.
You sleep inside the heat.
No. You can't cut it. You can't
give me.
We are paid. Just stop it. Stop it. What is that?
Give me where I
can stool and live here. No.
This man is not know. You don't know.
I hold it.
You're the fool with us.
You.
Even if I am mad, come and cut the legs.
No, don't do this here. Why?
So you fell lady like this.
We can't sleep in the heat. What is?
Yo, mommy, tie. And my about we get away. Some magazine for, say Chinese for so. I want to jump like me.
You go around for.
Yo, I think I'm come.
What is he even saying?
I don't even know. Light bill, you pay. Like yes. We paid
paid the light.
We paid it.
We paid.
Oh,
Mommy,
the lights. You sleep. The lights. We can't sleep in the dark. We can't. We can't.
Yo, I will cut it.
Oh no, you can't do that.
Listen, don't try it. So you think we are girls, so we can't fight? Don't try us. Come and you see.
Pay. We've paid. We don't owe him any money.
That's all. Or woman who. Mr.
Where's your money? We've paid. We've paid to Miss Mary.
Sister, how they
You paid your light bill to where?
Listen, madam. Every month we pay our light bill.
Of course.
We are decent people in this house.
Yes.
I don't know why this man wants to disturb us. Is it because we are ladies? We will deal with him square.
Very well. Very well. We are very good at that.
Tell him and talk to him. How can decent ladies like us be staying in the house and we not pay our light bill? How? Madam, please talk to that man. No, you think because we are not Ghanaian, so you think he can come and talk to us anyhow? We will deal with him.
No, how can we sleep in the dark? How? You pay your. We've paid. Go and ask him.
So you pay.
Yeah, of course, we have. We've paid.
Next time, pay double.
No, we've paid. Every month we give them money. Every month. My sister have been paying. Yes. We've been paying it every month. We are not owing them. We are not owing any bill. No. That is true. I'm telling you the truth. Okay, we've paid every month, please. We've paid. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much.
So don't fight, okay?
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Don't worry, okay?
Okay.
Nice to you.
Okay, you too. Bye.
Bye.
Yeni bin suye filisi so yenya nkwala bi atra puto umpema sema ko for wasem so na Yesu Kristo do oboni wiase enipa yini maye na nka bese me obofo emere ni working for search for the money so we fraud so we blog get money post line no kada man money also pena despite self defend money eni hu hu